Hi, I'm Max DeFelice. I'm the proud owner of Waterdown Collision. We started in the small little center corridor of Waterdown with a vision to provide a service to local farmers and local businesses and our community.
The DeFelice family has been in business here in Waterdown for the last 50 years.
We're moving a stone throw away, 900 meters from this current location, to our newest state-of-the-art collision repair facility.
We are preparing for the next 50 years of business and growth within our community.